Okay, now we're down here. What are we going to do down here?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
What about we get the sleds out?
Think we should get the sleds out?
Uh-huh.
I think I heard that's what Granddad's doing.
I'm going to go up on the house what he's doing.
But he's going to be right back. Oops, Isaac fell down. But he picked himself back up.
Hey, up the blue! Meh. I wonder what he's doing. Getting one for Isaac, I guess.
Could be.
Daddy, could you get the shovel?
Maybe so.
Logan, let's bring it.
Okay, bye-bye for now.